This video tutorial demonstrates the Wi-Fi wireless connection setup between CINENORM series monitors and a Canon R6 II camera. Open the camera menu and navigate to the Network tab. Select Connect to EOS Utility. Select Add a device to connect to. Remember SID password. On the monitor screen, tap to open the menu. Click External Device Connection, select Wi-Fi, turn it on, and choose Add New Device. Select your device, enter the SID password correctly, and confirm by clicking OK. Wait about 5 seconds and exit. The camera menu will display a Start Pairing Devices notice. If this does not appear, verify the SID password. Click OK. When Connect to the PC appears, the connection is successful. Exit the camera menu, then tap the monitor screen again to access the camera control menu. Click Rec to start or stop recording. Click Focus to activate tracking focus. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's sensitivity. Click Focus in MF mode, use buttons to manually adjust focus. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click Recording mode to switch camera recording modes. Click WB to change white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune color temperature. If ISO is set to auto, click EV to adjust exposure compensation. This concludes the tutorial for wireless Wi-Fi connection between CINENORM series monitors and the Canon R6 II camera.